This is Legend Nova, all about the motherfucking kicks. Put a like on the motherfucking button.
What the fuck?
What's going on? This is Legend of All About the Kicks. Subscribe to that channel, put a like on that button. Please share this video if you want to. It helps the video out. Salute to everybody who watched the channel. I got these came out like a year and some change ago, like maybe a year and 3 months ago. I got these on GOAT for 100 and some change, man. Cheap shoe. The shoe flopped last year, didn't really do that well. These are the Jordan 1 OG steel joints. You got the gray box. I had to cop these shoes, man, because I got a lot of gray stuff, so I needed to cop these shoes, man. And let's check them out, man. I know y'all already seen these shoes already. A lot of y'all don't like this shoe. Some of y'all maybe cop the shoe. I haven't seen nobody with these shoes on at all. I'm dead serious. I don't know why, but these are fire. They got the red ones like this too. The red ones is the same thing. Red here, Nike check here is red, and this is all red up here. It's the same shoe, but it's just a different color. I already think these steels is dope. It comes with a gray shoelace. I'm definitely gonna wear the shoelace on these, and these is dope. I like how they did the box with the gray and white box. So these to me it's a nice quality shoe. I don't know what y'all think about these, but these are dope shoe. And I know I'm late to the program, man, I know, but sometimes you gotta wait to get a shoe, man. Like, for this price, you can't beat that price. And these is nice, man. I really like these, and like I said, I wear a lot of gray, so these go perfect. I don't know it's gonna match a lot of my shirts, because, you know, it's a lot of different type of grays, but these are dope. I don't know what else to say about these. The black sole on these is gray too. Nice. The tongue, the Nike check is gray. You know what I mean? These is nice. I like these. These is dope. You know what I mean? I've been waiting for these to come for like almost a week and a half, man. They finally showed up today. And I wanted to shoot the video and show y'all. I know that y'all, like I said, a lot of y'all seen this shoe already. It's old, but I mean, I like the shoe, and you know, sometimes you gotta wait a year or so, maybe get a deal on it. So yeah, these is dope. You know what I'm saying? Retail price on these is $180, and I pay under that. So these is fire. Let's get close to personal, and y'all let me know what y'all think about these. Let's go. So like I said, Jordan steels. These is nice shoe. These is fire. We're gonna definitely gonna have to do it on foot on these, man. These are dope shoe. The box is great, just like the shoes. White and black, the white and gray shoe. Can't beat that. Nice quality. Yeah, these is nice, man. You know what I mean? Let me know what y'all think about these. And let's go. Man, leave a comment, let me know, will you pay this price, $120 some for these? Is worth that price? You know what I'm saying? They didn't really do good last year. You know what I mean? And a lot of people got these shoes. They don't have them no more, whatever. But I think they dope. You know what I'm saying? I have the red ones too, 2 pairs of those. So to have these in the collection, man, is dope. And I, Jordan 1s is one of my favorite ones. So I try to get them. I got a lot of Jordan 1s. I love Jordan 1s. It's just a fire shoe, man. Listen, man, subscribe to the channel, put a like on the button. I don't know what to tell you, man. Let me know what y'all think about this shoe. But like I said, I'm going to be wearing this shoe all spring season, man. Fall season is on the way. So I will be wearing these a lot, man. Anyway, subscribe to the channel, put a like on the button. We are out.